Throughout this past week, I've updated some of you guys across Facebook and some of these different model railroad groups that I'm a part of on the process that I've gone through to get my layout up and running. One of the biggest challenges that I actually faced with using this style of layout is I have an OSB base. Some people don't like OSB. It was free. Hard to complain about that. I then used a 2-inch styrofoam or foam insulation board. I bought it at Lowe's and I actually cut it with a skill saw. On top of that, I have a 1-inch foam board. Now, as I was doing my layout and I was getting things ready, I actually used a drill bit of approximately this length. This is actually the drill bit I used. Problem I would run into, I would drill through my styrofoam and I'd get all the way through the plywood or the OSB, and I would run out of clear hole as soon as I started trying to fish wire through. So in comes this piece of music wire. It's slightly smaller than the drill bit, and coffee stirrers fit perfectly over the top of this. I would align this through the hole I drilled down through the OSB, and then I would slide the coffee stirrer down until it met the OSB because it wasn't quite small enough to go through the hole in the OSB. I could then remove this, leaving the coffee stirrer here in the styrofoam, and then push my wires down through and pull them the rest of the way from the underneath side without having to deal with things getting caught and snagged because this foam doesn't like to drill perfectly. So that's one tip for you guys as you do some wiring. Have some music wire around. Slide a coffee stirrer on it, align your hole, slide the coffee stirrer in, remove it, and then you can run your wires.